Hi guys, welcome to your channel InfiniTech. In this video, we have got our hands on the latest additional to Motorola's Edge 40 series, the Edge 40 Neo. Now this model promises to bring you the core experience of the regular Edge 40, but at a more budget-friendly price point. Let's dive into this video. So what sets the Edge 40 Neo apart? Well, it's the budget-friendly option in the Edge 40 series, but it doesn't scheme on features. You're getting the same camera setup as the regular Edge 40, along with identical charging capabilities and the stunning 144Hz OLED display. This year's Neo model might not be as light as its predecessor, the Edge 30 Neo, but it's still pretty lightweight and easy to handle. Design-wise, the phone boasts a sleek, curved look both on the back and front, wrapped in a thin plastic frame. The color options are a collaboration with Pantone. Check out this one called Soothing Sea, featuring a vegan leather bag for that extra grip. If leather is not your thing, there is an acrylic bag option too. And of course, just like its siblings, the Edge 40 Neo flaunts an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Let's talk about the display. A vibrant 6.55-inch OLED with a speedy 144Hz refresh rate and a crispy 1080p resolution. The curved edges provide a unique visual experience. It supports HDR10+, and depending on your color settings, the color accuracy is pretty decent. With a maximum brightness of around 520 nits and the ability to hit over 1000 nits in auto mode, you won't have any visibility issues. For audio, the Edge 40 Neo rocks a stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support. The speakers deliver excellent loudness and a balanced output, tough a bit more bass wouldn't hurt. Unlocking the phone is a breeze with the under-display fingerprint reader, and you have got a storage options of 128 or 256 gigs. Unfortunately, no room for expansion via microSD. Now let's talk about software. Running on a nearest like Android 13 with Motorola's added features, the Edge 40 Neo ensures a smooth user experience. The Moto app brings in customization options, gestures, pic display, and a handy game time utility. Plus, it supports Moto's Ready For feature, connecting your phone to a TV or monitor for a large-than-life screen experience. Powering the Edge 40 Neo is MediaTek's Dimensity 7030 chipset, offering 5G connectivity. It performs impressively in benchmarks, holding its own against mid-range competitors like the Galaxy S34 and A54. While not without its strengths, the Neo does have a weak point: battery life. Despite the hefty 5000 mAh battery, it falls behind in screen on tests, earning an endurance rating of 80 hours. However, the 68-watt charger included does bring a swift charging experience. Now let's delve into the camera setup. The Edge 40 Neo boasts a 50-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, offering versatility in your shots. The main camera produces detailed photos with a wide dynamic range, though the contrast might lean towards the shadows. Night vision processing kicks in automatically in low light conditions, delivering impressive shots with well-preset highlights. The phone supports 4K video recording with electronic stabilization across all cameras. Videos from the main camera are detailed, but some might find them a bit underexposed. Unfortunately, there is no wireless charging support here. To sum it up, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo brings fantastic value for money, offering features that you'd expect from its pricier siblings. Sure, there are a few downsides, especially in the battery department, but if you can look past that and appreciate the blazing fast charging, the Edge 40 Neo is worth considering. Well guys, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share this video, and don't forget to watch this video on the screen.